Today I am going to show you the recipe of pizza dosa. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 3 cups of idli rice, some puffed rice, 1 cup of urad dal, capsicum and onion which is chopped, some methi seeds, salt, pizza sauce, cheese which is grated, some olives and jalapeno which is sliced, butter, chili flakes, oregano and mixed herbs. So let's start. Now take 3 cups of idli rice and then add 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. And now we are going to add water and soak it for 5 hours. Now take 1 cup of urad dal and then add some water. And now we are going to soak it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the urad dal has soaked and I transferred it into this blender jar. And now we are going to blend it into smooth paste. I blend it into smooth paste and now I am going to transfer it into a pot. After 5 hours, the rice has soaked properly and I transfer it into the same blender jar. And now we are going to blend it into smooth paste. I blend it into smooth paste and now I am going to transfer it in the same pot. In the same blender jar, add 2 cups of soaked puff rice and now we are going to again blend it into smooth paste. I blend the puffed rice in a smooth paste and now I am going to transfer it in the same pot. I added the 3 pastes in the same pot and now we are going to mix it well. I mixed it well and now I am going to cover it with a plate and ferment it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, the batter has fermented and just doubled its size and now I am going to transfer it into a bowl. I transfer the batter into this bowl and now I am going to add salt as per taste. With that, a little bit of water to adjust the consistency. I mixed it properly and the consistency should be like this. And now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and grease some butter on it. Let the butter melt. I spread the butter properly and now I am going to add the dosa batter in it. Spread it well. I spread it well and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter on it. With that, 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce. Mix it and spread it well. I spread it well and now I am going to add some onion which is chopped. I added the onion and now I am going to add some chopped capsicum on it. After that, I am going to add some jalapeno which is sliced. I added the jalapeno and now I am going to add some olives which are sliced. I added the jalapeno and the olives and now I am going to add some grated cheese on it. I added the grated cheese and now I am going to add some mixed herbs in it. With that, I am going to sprinkle some oregano and some chili flakes. I added the mixed herbs, chili flakes and the oregano. And now we are going to cook it until the cheese melts. The cheese has melted and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate and now I am going to cut it into slices. I cut it into slices. So this is my delicious and tasty pizza dosa recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.